All right, cool. So just let me know if everybody can see my screen. Let me know within the question box so that we can go ahead and get started here. All right, cool, cool, cool. Awesome, awesome. So we're going into basically exactly you'll be what exactly you'll be needing in order to start a continuity program. All right, and so this is going to be like a full step-by-step strategy on how you can actually do that. All right, and so we're actually going to start here. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to first find a free just pay shipping item. Right, and so with the free just pay shipping item, a lot of times people sometimes expect it to only gain profit, but it is used to actually build up your pixel, to actually gain more sales, build up your list, and your build up your email list and your messenger subscription. Right now, with this, at the same time that you're launching your free just pay shipping, you also want to attach a autoresponder to it. So in this one, we're going to actually use ManyChat. So this is a new one for those of you that don't know. So we're going to add ManyChat to it. So what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and help subscribe everybody onto it's going to help subscribe everybody onto that as well, onto the messenger part for it, so that we can go ahead and reach back at them. So with any type of funnel, you always want a way to kind of redirect back to them. So we're going to keep this and gather them. So a couple of things that you need to have alongside of this, you want Recart, and then you also want Recharge. These are both apps you can find on Shopify. So Recart and Recharge. Cool. So that you will have that as you want back out to. So after you find a free item, an upsell, right? So whatever upsell it is, so that way that your right? So in order to increase your upsell, you can actually find something that's maybe not as expensive, or something that is kind of expensive, but what you want to do is just kind of make an extra $10 or so that this way you'll be making a profit each time that somebody comes in. So you want to kind of maximize your profit using the upsell for AOV. We're going to go through an example of this as well. All right, and then so for the third part, we then want to go ahead and bring them back to our offer here with a subscription. All right. Now, a subscription that will make everything easier. Something that is very something that is basically like a necessity, right? So this could be something within something that house things like that people would actually want and continue to see on a monthly basis, right? So so in order to get this started, the first thing, of course, is that we're going to need to look up a free just pay shipping item. All right. And so here we are. And literally, if you look at the screen, you can see that I just typed in free just pay shipping. And this is what actually popped up. So this could be something that happened a year ago or so. The main thing that we're looking here is to actually receive the product. And so I can even, or I can even allow it to just even allowed to even lose a little bit of money in order to get what it is that I'm actually looking for. All right, so now of course that you just it is good for the niche first, because the niche is right, that I can offer. um Same thing here, right? Of carving things, right? Actually, with this type of offer. All right, so for instance, I can actually take these earrings, go to AliExpress earrings, make pay shipping, and then offer a matching necklace out of it. Custom necklace and offer that option every month. They're able to receive something out to them. Just keep this loading. All right, cool. Excuse the delay here. Type of funnel, just kind of switch out whatever it is that you're looking for. Right. And I apologize if you guys can't hear technical difficulties. Okay, cool, and we're back. All right, the free just pay shipping here. All right, now something that I can do with this is I can actually more so inspire more baby clothes where they can actually send us their baby sizes, and we'll show them things within the catalog, and they can order that, and they'll basically pay $100 a month so that they can receive about 10 outfits for their babies every month as they're growing, right? To use in order to create your free just pay shipping item. All right, and even though it was in 2016, so you can go back a little bit further, like